Hello guys, I am Ankit. I am a part-time blogger. It's been 8 months since I started blogging, and I can tell you that I always loved the fact of expressing one's views or opinions through his own blog. That is the reason I love blogging. And it's not long ago that I came to know your blog can actually be a very good source of income for you. Yes, really. In particular, affiliate programs through your blog can actually be a great source of making money. That too, if you are a serious blogger or if you own a website with decent number of traffic in it, then you can actually make a living out of the money you get from these affiliate programs. In the beginning, I was not sure about these affiliate programs that were available. So I started researching in the internet about these affiliate programs, and it is then I came across this website called affiliatevote.com. It's a great website. It has many clear facts, reviews and payment proofs of all affiliate programs that are available and which you can use. And it's here that I came to know about the different affiliate programs that are available. This website very much helped me in deciding what kind of affiliate programs suited for my blog. And another great thing about this affiliatevote.com is that it has its own knowledge center. Here any fresher publisher can come and get complete knowledge of affiliate programs. Before, in the beginning, as I did not have much knowledge about affiliate programs, I tried to research about it throughout the internet, but I could not get the proper understanding nor its advantages from many websites. And it is from this affiliatevote.com that I got the clear picture of what affiliate programs were and what were their advantages. And this website is not only for fresher publishers, even the industry runners can visit this website and get complete updates about the affiliate programs. And another good news for bloggers like me is that anyone can post their blog in the affiliate blog section of this website. This helps in sharing knowledge and information very effectively. And another great thing about this website affiliatevote.com is that it provides tips and CPA guidances through videos in its video section. This video section has really helped me out a lot in understanding the methodology of these affiliate programs that are available. And even very interesting free ebooks and paid ebooks are available in this website. I have read some free available ebooks in this website, and that has helped me a lot in improving myself in the knowledge about affiliate programming. At last, I would like to tell you that if you are a blogger or if you own a website and you want to make some extra money from it, or maybe you want to make a complete living out of it, I would definitely recommend you to visit this website affiliatevote.com. It will definitely help you in all the knowledge that is needed to know about these affiliate programs, and it will definitely help you in selecting the affiliate programs that are suitable for your blog or your website. All the best. Thank you.